Hello, this is Randy DeLong again with High Performance Aviation. Today we're going to look at loading airways into the G1000. For IFR pilots, this is going to be a neat way to customize your flight plans, and I think you'll enjoy it. So as we look at this PowerPoint presentation, we're going to fly from Midland to Abilene, Texas. We're going to go via the MAF VOR. We're going to pick up Victor Airway 546 up to Big Springs, and then from Big Springs, we're going to go Victor 16 to Abilene, VOR, and then from there, we're going to go direct to the Abilene airport. So let's get started. I'm going to bring up the MFD, and let's show you how to build a flight plan using the MFD here, where you can see we're sitting on the ramp at MAF. So I'm going to bring up the flight plan, and you can see we're sitting at MAF, and we'll just start building this flight plan. The way we do that is we're going to turn the cursor on by pushing in on the FMS knob. And our destination is going to be KABI. Okay, so we have our departure and destination in, and now we're going to start building the en route. So the first fix we're going to go to is the MAF VOR, and that's just MAF, so we'll type that in with our FMS knob. There we go, MAS. We'll press enter to accept. And now what we want to do next is we're going to press the menu key and load an airway. So we'll press enter to load the airway, and we're going to pick up Victor 546, press enter. We're going to go all the way to the Big Springs VOR, BGS. We'll press enter and load it. So there's part of our flight plan. Now we'll move our cursor down to the next open waypoint, and we're going to press the menu key again and load airway. This time we're going to pick up Victor 16 off of Big Springs, and we need to cycle down, turning the FMS knob until we find ABI. So we press enter, we load it, and now we're going from Big Springs all the way to ABI, and then from there we go to our destination of ABI. Now you can notice that all of the fixes that are on that airway are also loaded into it. So if you got to direct to a certain fix, you can highlight that fix and go direct to it. So that's a quick way to load airways. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If there's something else you'd like us to show you on the G1000, leave that in the comments also. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time on G1000 Tips and Tricks.